All right, the low in Globex today was the put wall 42.37. I think the low was actually like 35.5, but for all intents and purposes, we've tested the put wall now. We cleaned up this candle, so most of this poor structure has now been cleaned up. Not a lot of volume here in this range, but it is the put wall, so very difficult to play under it. We do have price already bouncing into R1 here at 87 and a quarter from the 38.2 in the short term. And then we have the must hold here at 42.53 and a quarter. So if we assume that this is going to advance, then we need to see candles closing above this 53 quarter level. And then that offers up here into the node closer to 43.09, 261.8 up here at 43.09, 43.19. Volume builds out from 43.10 up into 43.30. So unless there's some sort of news flow, we would expect for this general pocket here to be congestive and sticky, I guess, if you will. But it's going to act as a time delay rather than anything. So we'll want to be careful of that. Obviously, if you're still a bear, you're shorting against volume. And if you're a bull, you're looking for the acceptance into that volume node. So this is kind of how ES plays out. And then again, on the hourly, we can see that they're starting to develop a shelf here at 42.65 as well. So we will watch that area as well for support. And then if we wanted, we could drop the 38.2 on in the shortest term, and that's 42.64 and a quarter. It sits right there about point of control on this smaller term node. This is the 15-minute, and you can kind of see where that volume is built at. So if we do get a back test into this volume and we see a supportive set of internals, this could be a decent spot for long entry to test up into that 42.87 and then this node up into the 4300s. Elsewise, we have, again, put wall at the low, S1 here at 64, S2 53, S3 put wall 35.37, and then below that 19.06 and then 42.02. As noted before, the major volume pocket doesn't really come in till 41.80 all the way down into 41.55, 41.50. So in terms of the daily chart, we still have risk while we're below this 42.87 to 43.09 area. And again, we have risk down into probably this volume around 41.50 to 55. So hope everybody has a good day. Trade safe and see you in a little bit.